Over here, you can see that I have a video clip right here. And now what you can do around with the video clip is you can crop it out as well if you only need a certain portion of the video. So in that case, you can use the crop tool right here, and you can also access out the crop tool by going into the inspector, and over here you can see cropping is an option right here. So let me just go around and click and minimize this right here, and let's go around onto the cropping. So on the cropping, you can see that there are certain settings. So you can crop out from the left right here, and you can also use the slider to control out the crop from the left, and you can also type in the number right here. So right now it's 87. You can click and drag, or you can go around and then type in the number according to how you want to crop right here. You can also crop this from the right, crop this from the top, crop this from the bottom right here, and increase around the softness around the crop as well. And that is what you have. And you can click and drag around to, let's say, change around the crop area in the video as well. So you can go around and retain the image position right here as well, just like this, according to how you want. And you can also use these options right here and reset it out over here as well. So you can go around, crop it out from 4 different places, as you can see right here, and maintain out feather again, just like this. And that is how you can crop out your videos inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.